In this video, we are going to design the master layout for our portal. We are going to start off by creating a new form, making it flex and selecting basic, hitting OK, and then naming our form. I'm going to name the form Portal AK Master Layout. I'm going to select the unit to be car. And then finish. Open your form by going to Form Definition Design and then typing in the form name. Here I have my form in design mode. I'm going to click on the flex and then I'm going to delete all of the flex regions that I don't need so that we can start fresh. I'm going to have two regions on the form. The first region is going to contain our header and our content. The second region is going to contain our footer. I'm going to add a new region and change the type to vertical box. New region is going to be a unit form unit, and the length is going to be about 5. The orientation is going to be set to fill, and the flex on the top is going to be for content, and I'm going to set that to fill also. Once I have my two flex regions here, I'm going to be adding a flex layout to the first region. We're going to click on it and add another region. The first region will be our header, and this is a form unit length 4, and we're going to set it to fill also. The second region, I'm going to leave it as a flex, and here I'm changing the type of the flex layout to vertical box. You want to make sure that your second region with flex is set to fill. And I'm going to regenerate the form to save our changes. Now we're going to add a flex layout to the header menu region. I'm going to rename it to Flex Nav. Click on the flex that we just created. We're going to add 3 regions, or well, 2 extra regions. They are going to be of form unit length 20. The middle region is going to be a flex, and the last region is going to be of length 25 form unit. We're going to hit OK. Click on the last region, click on Flex Layout, and click on it, and I'm going to change the name to Flex Footer. Click on Flex Footer, and we are going to add regions. In region index 1, I'm going to change it to form unit of length 15. And I'm going to do the same for region 2. I'm adding another flex region of length 15 and changing it to form unit. I've added these regions for the Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter icons. I'm going to make sure that the orientation is set to horizontal, alignment to middle, and the pack to center for all of the length 15 form unit regions. So I'm going to add the statics for our footer icons. You want to add statics to all of the 3 middle regions. I'm going to name the first static Twitter icon, and the second static I'm going to name static Facebook icon, and the last one is going to be static Instagram icon. I'm going to set the image file for the static Twitter icon. Under Appearance and Bitmap file name, you can either type in the name of your image or you could select it from the drop-down. I'm going to do the same thing for the Facebook status, typing in the image name for acme_facebook.png. I'm going to select the static Instagram and change the bitmap file name to acme_instagram.png. After you've made your changes, remember to regenerate the form or hit save. We are going to change the sizes of the statics. You can either change the size by dragging or by manually setting the size under Layout. The width of our statics will be of 9, and the height will be of 3.6. I'm going to make this change for all of the statics. Under Specific Attributes, I'm going to set the no colon to true. This will be done for all of the statics. I'm adding a theme class icon background to all of the statics. You can go into Run mode, click on View, User Preferences, Layout, and get the name of the theme that you're currently running. In my case, it was Infor OS Support. Under Themes, I'm going to select Infor OS Support, hit Design, and then I'm going to hit Styles. In this tree-like structure, under Form, Form Component, Static, Icon Background, you'll notice the background settings. They're set to this hex. You will have an export of this theme available, but if you'd like to create this theme class yourself, I'm going to be showing you the hex codes for all of the backgrounds. I'm going to continue to add icon background to all of the other statics. After you're done, hit save or regenerate. We are going to go into run mode and clear our cache. Then we're going to open our form. And here is our newly built form. The next part I'm going to show you is optional. I'm going to be adding a border around the footer. So here I'm selecting the main flex. I'm also going to add a space above and below the footer. So I'm adding a region here. I will be setting it to form unit of 0.5. I will set the bottom spacing to also form unit 0.5. Press OK. Regenerate the form. Select your footer flex, and I'm going to set the theme class to be Acme border top. Here I'm showing you the theme. For Acme border top, these are the hex values for normal state. That's border color, active state, disabled, and hover. Regenerate your form after you've applied your theme class. Let's run our form, and you'll notice the border on the bottom.